In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit to invoice in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a credit memo and apply it to the right invoice so your accounts receivable stays accurate. Start by signing into QuickBooks and opening the Create or New menu. This is your hub for transactions. From here, choose Credit Memo. A credit memo is what you use to reduce what a customer owes. Think of it for returns, price adjustments, or goodwill credits. It's different from a refund, which sends money back. A credit memo offsets an open balance. On the credit memo screen, make sure you're working with the same customer and the same accounts receivable account that the original invoice uses. If you have multiple AR accounts or use multiple currencies, this part is important. The customer on the credit memo must match the customer on the invoice, and the AR account needs to be consistent so QuickBooks can link them correctly. Now fill in the details. Set the credit memo date to when the credit should take effect. Add the product or service lines you're crediting, adjust quantities and rates, and include sales tax if it applies. If this is a partial credit, enter only the portion you're crediting, not the full invoice amount. Use the memo field to note the reason, like returned items or price adjustment, so anyone reviewing later understands what happened. When everything looks right, click Save. You've now created the credit and it's ready to be applied. Next, apply the credit to the invoice by opening the Create or New menu again and selecting Receive Payment. Even if no new money is coming in, this is the tool QuickBooks uses to apply credits. Choose the same customer. You'll see the customer's open invoices listed, and you should also see the available credit from the memo you just created. Select the invoice you want to reduce, then look for the Credit section. QuickBooks will either auto-apply the credit or let you choose how much to apply. If you're only applying the credit and not collecting additional cash, the payment amount can be zero, and the credit will do the work. Choose where to deposit the payment, such as undeposited funds or your bank account, and save. To confirm, open the invoice and check that the balance is reduced or fully paid, and open the credit memo to see that it shows as applied. That's it. Your credit is now properly linked to the invoice.